UPM cold mix is different than any other product on the market and is chemically designed to work underwater and in freezing road conditions.
To show how UPM cold mix is superior to any other product in the market, we will show you how it performs in the water. The sand in this jar represents stone or aggregate in wet conditions. When we take this normal asphalt and inject this asphalt into wet sand in a jar and shake it up to see how it coats this sand underwater, you can see the sand is not coated and asphalt and sands are two separate underwater. Now we'll take this one drop of the special UPM sauce, what we call as UPM special additives, and just add one drop to it and shake it up to see how it performs underwater. As you can see, the sand is 100% coated in the water. I'll pour some water out of it. You can see how sand is 100% coated, cohesive, and workable. This product performance equals safe streets, happy cars, happy drivers, and happy road workers.
UPM cold mix is very easy to use. Its cohesion, workability, and ability to stick and stay in a pothole in wet or freezing conditions is like nothing else on the market.
Our number one saying when talking about UPM mix is it all starts with quality rock. So we're going to talk a little bit about gradation, cohesion, and adhesion. And a lot of that depends on the rock. So we're going to take our competitor's mix, try to take it out of the can. So we have a couple things going on here that I want to explain. First of all, the gradation, we can tell that the rock is dirty because the mix is dull. It's very dull. Secondly, there's very little asphalt, if any, getting on my gloves when I'm handling the material. And the third, the cohesion, as you can see, the material is just falling apart as I fluff it up with my hand. So first thing I'm going to do is take this can and roll it just a little bit to show you how the mix all moves. Notice as I roll the can, how the material rolls with the can, all in one entire body. Second thing I'm going to point out is notice how the can is coated with asphalt. That's the self-priming nature of UPM mix. You don't need a tack coat for it. I'm going to throw a little bit in this box to show you the cohesiveness. See how it all flows in one unified little body there? And then the last thing is watch how it crawls. We always say, people when we make this stuff say it's alive because it crawls down, and that's what you want to see with a quality cold mix. Now I'm going to go back to the competitor's mix and show you their can. Notice how there's little, if any, asphalt sticking to the side of the can. This material lacks the adhesive properties to stick properly inside a pothole, and especially inside a wet pothole.
There's a reason Unique Paving Materials has the brands to which all others try to compare. For more information about this amazing product, please give us a call today at 800-441-4880 or visit our website you see on the screen.